Welcome to Quest 14 Instafilm Black and White. Let's take a look at the features and tonality this set has to offer. This preset collection is a follow-up to Quest 11, Instafilm Color Series. This set includes 6 new black and white presets, each of which includes unique Instafilm inspired borders. Each border can be used individually or layered for unique looks. Dive into the mask layers and customize the individual elements for endless possibilities. We've also included blue and orange filter preset tools, adding yet more creative options for your edit. AQ14.1 gives you warm silver tones with smudges and edge shadows, featuring the classic Instafilm border. AQ14.2 is a cooler black and white with soft pigments of blue, featuring an irregular black border, smudges, and edge shadows. AQ14.3 gives you pewter overtones with a nostalgic Instafilm emulsion border. AQ14.4 is a second variation of 3 with a soft emulsion border and smudges. AQ14.5 provides a warmer black and white with clean white Instafilm borders. AQ14.6 is a second variation of 5 featuring a black border with dust and scratches. Make sure to use the Instafilm black and white profile and watch your images transform to the classic matte highlights with crushed shadows.